Hi. It can be so frustrating and painful when other people don't respect you. People don't listen to you, they brush your feelings aside, they never pick your ideas. You just don't seem to matter to others. Here are 10 ways to earn respect. Number 1. Be inspiring. You can be inspiring by talking to others about your passions and goals without holding back. You can be inspiring by endlessly encouraging others to follow their dreams, goals, and visions, and showing that you have faith in them. Number 2. Believe in your ideas. Don't discard your ideas, even if they seem funny, weird, or unorthodox. Embrace your creativity and follow through with your ideas. If you follow through, you will achieve something great, and others will wonder how you came up with such a unique idea. The thing is, most people have these unique ideas, but most people are afraid to follow up and implement them because they seem too far-fetched. Number 3. Speak up when you're mistreated. Don't just take it when someone is mistreating you or taking advantage of you. Be professional and diplomatic, but don't be silent. Speaking up for yourself is not always easy to do, which is why it is the mark of a person deserving respect. Number 4. Keep your promises. This is by far one of the most important actions you can take to start gaining respect. If you took commitments lightly in the past, don't do that anymore. Always honor commitments and promises. If you find yourself having a lot of trouble with that, it means you make too many promises you can't keep. Number 5. Don't waste other people's time. If you respect others' time, they will respect yours. This includes not being late for appointments, not spending meetings talking about useless items, getting to the point fast, bringing up issues right away, being succinct, and of course, making it easier for others to make decisions, especially when they are busier than you. Number 6. Stop being too nice. Distinguish kindness from always having to do things for people. Trying to make everyone happy won't get you very far. Being a pushover is highly undesirable if your goal is to be respected. If you're too nice to everyone all the time, some people might even think you're not genuine. Number 7. Always do your homework. This means do the due diligence. When you're interviewing someone, do the background research and find out everything you need to know to make an effective interview. When you're going to a job interview, make sure you've done your homework about the company and know what their needs are. When you're talking to friends, listen and retain information from the conversations and remember things that they care about for next time. Number 8. Be relentlessly proactive. Don't always wait for direction from others. Use your own skills and resources to start getting things done and solve problems. Get in the habit of figuring things out for yourself. Don't be afraid of a challenge once in a while. Number 9. Practice humility. You're not always going to be right, and you're not the best at everything. Every person you meet can teach you something. Confidence doesn't come from a place where you're the best. True confidence comes from understanding humility, and that every person has something unique to offer to the world, including you. Number 10. Stop apologizing. People who are constantly saying, "I'm sorry," without giving it a second thought are usually not the ones that are well respected. There is a time and place for apologies. Sometimes you make mistakes that affect family and friends. You can apologize to them. Meanwhile, stop using the word sorry 100 times an hour for every little thing that goes wrong, especially in the workplace. Do those around you respect you? Or are you struggling to get it? Tell me in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with friends and loved ones. I suggest you watch one of these 2 videos, I think you'll enjoy it.